This is talking about the state of illumination itself, which comes about as an inner, profound, radiating sense of peace. It's experienced as though there's an inner light. It's called luminous for a good reason. It is feeling as though a light has come up from within. So instead of light coming from without, the way the world looks, or coming from your thinkingness, now there's an inner radiance. And in a high state, as you walk through nature, you see the radiance shining forth from all of nature. And you become aware that as you walk by the trees and the grasses and the flowers, that they're aware of your existence. Yeah. That which I witnessed and experienced is a fact. All of nature is aware of the divinity of the essence of that which you are. Resist. Yeah, you see it. As you walk forth, you realize that the trees and the grasses and everything that you think is unconscious is conscious. What is it conscious of? It's conscious of your existence as a reflection of divinity. So that the trees actually reverence your presence. The trees actually reverence your presence. Resist. Yeah, it's not poetic, it's actual fact. So the illuminated state is one of which the divinity of all that exists radiates forth. It's effulgent.